off making some chili, some Arkansas campfire chili. If you've never had Arkansas chili, we use beans. I'm gonna make some Texas chili later on, so you'll enjoy that. But we're gonna start off with some Arkansas campfire chili tonight, and then we're gonna have just a good time sitting around the campfire. Bear's already made himself comfortable in the little swimming hole over here, so Sean's about to cut some wood. We're about to get this thing fired off, so stay tuned. I'm gonna start browning my meat. Just got a pound of ground chuck. It's 80-20. And then I'm going to cut up my, oh, there goes Bear and Kobe. I'm gonna cut up the onions and peppers. And then we've got beans, we've got tomatoes, all kinds of good stuff to put in it. So we're gonna start off seasoning a little bit. I'm gonna throw a little bit of my Cheshire seasoning down here on the grill. The reason I'm gonna do that is because I'm gonna take this, put it right there. And I'll start mashing it up from there. Just wanna get it good and browned. I know some people like to just throw their hamburger meat right into the pot and let it grill in there like that. I like to brown mine. I also season it just like I would a hamburger or steak or anything else. Just get it seasoned a little bit. I am going to add chili pepper and all that stuff to the chili after a while, but just want to make sure that you'll get some flavor into it. I think when you brown it like this, it gets more flavor into your chili. Bear over there exploring. What are you doing, Bear? So now is when I'm gonna start putting everything together. As you can see, I've got some ranch beans. It's got jalapeños in it. I've got the diced tomatoes, green chilies. Those are fire roasted and peeled. I like them that way. And also some tomato sauce. So it's gonna all mix together. I'm gonna put the meat in there. You can see all of our onions and peppers in there already. Get it all mixed together and put it on the fire. It's gonna be ready to go. Got our browned meat. I got to messing with some other stuff with the fire and some other things and let it get a little bit too brown, but that's all right. Once it starts cooking in the pot, it'll soften everything back up. No big deal. It brings a little bit of flavor to it. Get a little char, brings a little flavor to it. Char is flavor. I heard Matt from Meat Church say that the other day, and I agree. Let's go ahead and let all the juice and everything go on it. No need to strain it. Now, if you want to dice your tomatoes and do everything the fresh way and not use cans like I'm using right here with the green chilies and the tomato sauce and all that stuff, then you go ahead and do it however you do it, because I'm doing it the easy way for camp, and that's just how we do it on the channel. I'm gonna mix it all up, and then we're gonna put it on the fire. It's So if you got a favorite way you make campfire chili, let me know how you do it. Might try it out sometime. If we do, I'll be sure to mention you on the channel. Give you credit for it. All right, that is just about ready for the fire. I'm excited. So I added my big thing of tomato sauce to it. And here we are. It's looking really good. It is time to put it on the grill. I do need to add a little bit of water to it. There it is. Are you hungry yet? I am. Now you don't want your fire just crazy high and getting up into the Dutch oven. I just move these logs around a little bit so they kind of flamed up some, but they'll burn down here for a second. And that's about where you really want it, when it calms down just a little bit. And just make sure that you keep an eye on everything. Make sure it doesn't start scorching on you or anything like that. You might need to add a little more water if you do. And other than that, keep it stirred. Probably about 2 hours, you ought to be good to go. What are you doing, Bear? There's a bear sighting in the woods. What are you doing? Trying to get that leaf out in the water? That's what he wants. Well, after it's been going for a little while, then I add my chili pepper, or my chili powder, and garlic and all that stuff, so stay tuned. It's looking good. What are you doing there, knucklehead? What are you doing? What are you doing? Mama would be mad at you. And there we are. The finished product. Looking pretty good. Gotta have Fritos. All right, so that is the final tally on it right there. It's gonna be pretty good. Try it out, Sean, see what you think.
Fritos and chili. Awesome.
There you go. Now, if you like chili in camp, do it the way I did it. If you want to add some more stuff to it, usually I add a little bit more jalapeños to it. I forgot a lot of stuff this camping trip, and I forgot to get the jalapeños. So, but the beans did have some jalapeños in on the ranch style beans. So try that out. Hopefully you'll like it. The description for how to make everything will be in the description of the video. So as always, you know, stay hungry and get out and explore. Then you got this guy. Right where I'm trying to fish. Decides he's gonna go swim.